Hello everyone, 9-day NSF of my fundraising journey. So basically, in the last week, the events wherever I go and meet the people. So what I did, I just request them to let's catch up next week, and next week means this means. Okay, so I had an opportunity to talk with the few of the founders, investors, and the few of the accelerator program. How we can able to collaborate, how we can be the part of the accelerator program, and what the investors are thinking about our startup revenue model, and what the things that we have been lagging currently, how we can be improve it. So all this discussion happen. Okay, and now I'm going to the one of the events. So currently it's the 4 p.m. and my event will be start at the 5 p.m. and that event is basically work take startup pitch night. Okay, so again I'm going to do the pitch today about the high devs. So the more you pitch, the more you able to increase your like idea. Okay, the more the people will able to get to know about you, and also you will able to get to know what is the best pitch that is coming out of from you, which people are getting into it and able to understand it. So that's what the so today is only one event, it's a long event, so that's why I just decided just take it the one event, and after that also I have the other meetings, so in the India time zone. So that's why. So let's go. So at last, event has been wrapped up. I am going now home. Okay, so there is a insights, okay, and learning from the event. So basically, there are a lot of the angel investors and VCs was in the event, and I get a chance to talk to him. So one thing that I understand from just after this particular event, that you have to go to the different events. Okay, make connection. Okay, remove your hesitation. Not only you will able to raise the fund or create a new connection and take a advice. Don't be shy. Don't be think like, okay, I will able to practice at my home. But when you are practice at your home in front of the mirror, that is work that will help you, but not that particular extent. You will not able to get a feedback. Okay, so all these feedbacks, that's very necessary, and all these things we are giving on our personalized platform on High Devs. So where you have to go upskill yourself and get the feedback. So that's it for today. Now I'm going home. So we'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Shubhratri.